In this video, we are going to review your company's financial statements. Inside the company screen, you can check two main reports: the income statement and the balance sheet. The income statement shows how your company's profit or loss is being generated during the current week. It starts with operating income. This income mainly comes from the prizes your company has earned by playing simulation matches. Next, you will see operating costs. These include, for example, the entry costs for simulation matches and the CEO's salary. The difference between operating income and operating costs gives you EBIT. EBIT is the company's operating result. In other words, it shows the profit or loss generated by the main business activity before financial items and taxes. After that, we move to the financial section. In financial income, you will see the dividends collected from your investments. You will also see gains from selling shares and interest earned from investments in other companies' bonds. Financial costs include the interest your company pays on its own debt. They also include the fees generated when operating in the stock market. Then, taxes are applied. In Boardmasters, all companies have a tax rate of 30%. After adding and subtracting all these items, we get the net result. The net result is the company's provisional final profit or loss. It is important to understand that the income statement is not a final closing report. It shows the provisional result for the current week and updates whenever a new accounting event occurs. For example, when you win a match, pay a cost, collect dividends, sell shares, or earn interest. Now let's move on to the balance sheet. The balance sheet shows your company's financial position at a specific point in time. It is divided into two main areas. On one side, you have assets, and on the other side, you have liabilities and equity. Assets represent what the company owns. Under non-current assets, you will find the company's investments valued at market price. For example, shares, bonds, or other financial assets held in the portfolio. Under current assets, you will see the company's current cash. You may also see interest receivable or cash reserves for payments that have already been committed. Now let's look at liabilities and equity. Equity represents the company's own resources. Here, you will find share capital, capital contributed by shareholders if there is any, and accumulated reserves from previous weeks. You will also see the provisional result for the current week. In addition, unrealized gains will be displayed. These gains show how much your investments have increased or decreased in value since you bought them, even if you have not sold them yet. Finally, we have the debt and pending obligations section. Here, you will see the long-term debt issued by your own company. You will also see weekly interest payable, taxes, the CEO's salary, and other reserves that may be generated through advanced board actions. In summary, the income statement helps you understand whether your company is making or losing money during the week. And the balance sheet helps you understand what your company owns, what it owes, and what its economic value is at that moment. Reviewing these two reports regularly is key to making better decisions in Boardmasters.